Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is Make Money with Video, and today's video I'm going to talk about printable games. Now I know it's not video, but I also upload videos of how to make money with KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and also on Etsy. They're the two main ways what I'm making money with, so I like to talk about that and how you can do the exact same and make money as well, guys. So if you're new here, welcome. This is my channel. Feel free to come and check it out. It's only a small channel. I upload videos, different social medias and that. But anyway, let's get into this video, guys. So if you come over to Etsy, type in Printable Games, and as you can see, they are search for printable games for kids, 7,200 a month, guys. Yeah, printable games, 3,600 a month. Games for adults, 1,300. Then you've got like your families, your Halloween, like different niches. Yeah. So click off that. Look, these are the kind of games I'm looking at. It's like just like A4 if you're from like Europe, or if you're American, it's I think is it 8.5 times 11 or 8.8 times 11, something like that, guys. Anyway, but it's standard printing paper anyway, so there's just these kind of cards, and they look like if you're good at graphic design, they're not hard. But for some people, they might find them a bit hard, yeah, especially all these different ones. But you scroll down, you've got different ones. You've got riddles, candy, like dice games, and that. You got packs of them, like with so many different ones in and that, yeah. And making all these can probably take time, but if you look, they're all selling for like between $3 to $5, maybe some a little bit less, some a lot more. Yeah, this is in pounds, but look, £12. But anyway, move on to the next page, guys. Look, Christmas is coming up, yeah. So I've typed in Christmas games, and now look at this: 74,000 people are searching for Christmas games, yeah. Christmas games for adults, 9,900. Printable games, 3,600. Christmas games for kids, 110,000 a month, guys. Yeah, family, UK, at a table, at work, etc. This is a channel I follow because I do these games. Now look at this, guys. This game here, Emoji Pictionary, yeah, Christmas movies. Over 20 people have this in their basket. Yeah, 4 people have this in the basket. What's on your phone? 9 people have this in the basket. 4 people, 3 people. And look, guys, over 20 people. These are just, you can create these on Canva, yeah, or you can get them made. Now, if you go over to Fiverr, you can get them made for your look. He will send you 20 games in a baby shower for $5, yeah. And there's different ones. I mean, obviously there's not as many on here. You might have to like look at this bingo games, yeah, more bingo games, and you can also come over to a place called Creative Fabrica where you can buy these individually. Let me just turn this off before it goes off. Look, games, scavenger hunt, or memory game, sorry. But if you look in the corner there, he's going to put his name, yeah? So you can't really brand them as your own. Whereas if you create them yourself, then you can put your logo on and sell them as your own. Blast them all over over Etsy and on different marketplaces and sell them, guys. Look, scavenger hunt, yeah, different ones. I think that's it for these kind of games. But you get the gist, don't you, guys? They're on like A4 pieces of paper, like on your standard printing paper. And yeah. So what I'm going to show you today, guys, is a new product what comes out tomorrow. Now, like I said, you can go over to Creative Fabrica and you can buy them for like $1.50 for one, yeah? $2 for whatever it is, 4 scavenger hunts for $2. Now, if you keep doing this, I mean, you've got to search for different ones. You might have to type in, I don't know, printable games. For kids was popular, wasn't it? Yeah, you got like your counting games. You got your counting games and like your learning games and look more I Spy games. So you just search for different ones, but again, you've got to buy them, guys. So yeah, some of them are like cheap, 49 cents, but then you got like others what are like $2 and that. So it will add up. Yeah, it could get quite pricey. The more you make, the more you get designed. Plus you've got to wait for them. So like I said, there's a new app that comes out tomorrow, on the 2nd of November. Yeah, and it's called Crispy Prints. And it's a brand new app. It creates unique digital products that people online are buying like crazy. So I've just shown you some anyway. Yeah, so no need for your email list, your websites, or paid traffic. Earn online passively with digital products. No need for tech or design skills. Over 100 proven printable products. Software creates all the products quickly. No need for email lists or websites. It's already said that. Full case study plus training. Yeah, not only look. Yeah. So his regular price is $197, but he's not charging that. He's going to charge a lifetime access only of $37. So if you sign up within, like, I don't know how long he's got it, this only, yeah, but if you sign up pretty much as soon as he releases it, you're going to get it for $37, guys. After a certain time period, he's going to put it up to, I'm not sure he's going to put it up to, but he said he's changing from that. I think he said he's going monthly, so you have to pay monthly, whereas this is just a one-time fee. Anyway, let's learn about it. So learn how this simple bumblebee printout made him $3,067, yeah, in passive income. So he shows you that he's got no design skills, no tech skills, and no sales copy. He just created this, yeah, using his app. And look, it's a nice little game, Bumblebee, nice and bright. On top of that, it took him less than 10 minutes to set it up. Yeah. So it shows here 300 purchases. 300 people bought this. So you can build lots of different printables. If you want to read this, I will leave the link in the description. You come and read all this by all means, guys. Learn a bit more about it. You can get inside. So his name's Ike Paz, yeah? You can check him out on YouTube. He makes lots of videos all about this. This is what he does for a living, guys. He creates these printables and he sells them. So he's made this app, yeah? So you don't have to do, you're just making these printables, but he shows you, yeah? In this, it does it for you. So it's got a built-in niche keyword tool, yeah. So you get real-time access to the top niches within 2 of the largest buyer traffic search engines. We can find out how much interest there is. Generate printable games. There are a multitude of printable games, niches, and themes to go after. Inside of Crispy Prints, anyone can easily generate printable games online, yeah. Generate printable banners. Generate printable dice. Multiple printable niches. Complete free traffic training. Full video case study. Step-by-step training. Auto-generated product pins, done for you theme templates, guys. Yeah, all very good. So easily create printable game bundles. Yeah, step 1, you pick that. Step 2, you color, and you press it and it prints. And it prints things like this, guys. Look, you got your baby. This is in the baby niche. This is like an example. Yes, you've got 14 profitable games where it prints out. So all you do, guys, basically, you put your banner. You upload your image, whatever image you want on it. Yeah, you choose your color, and you can have it. If you just want to make word search, you just click the word search. If you want to make what's on your phone, you just click that. If you want to click I've never, click that. But it's better to just click them all. It'll select them all, so all 14. You print it out, and you've got all these different games. Now you can come over to Etsy, yeah, and look, 12 games. You'll have 14 games. So if you put it in the baby niche, you'll have 14 baby games bundle, yeah? If you put it in Halloween, you've got 14 Halloween games bundle. So look, they're putting it at $7.78. That's in pounds, so it's probably about $10, that, guys, yeah? Look, so 899 people have bought this, yeah? So that's that's basically $10 times 899. You work out the maths, guys. Yeah, that is awesome. Yeah, almost $900. So going back to it, so yeah, so you can sell them individually. Yeah, so say if you can put it up for $2. Yeah, put all of them on. So you'll have 14 different like adverts kind of thing. Yeah, so 14 different products being sold. Then you can also do another one. So you've got 14 individual products listed. Then you can put them all together and have an extra one. So you've got 14 plus a bundle. So people have got a choice to either buy them all separately or they can buy the bundle. Yeah. Then you can also, it's not just games, guys. It's not just games, yeah. But these are some cool games. Look, your baby shower, your crosswords, Price is Right. Lots of games. But then you can also printable banners. These are good. You upload your thing, your image, your color. You select which one you want. So you can either have no letter, so plain. So you can have them plain. You can have them with ABOS, the alphabet on it. Then people can cut them out. Yeah, so then they could cut out C, then H, then R, then I, S, T, A, M, S, yeah, and have a Christmas banner. Yeah, you can have a Halloween banner, birthday banners, baby shower banners, yeah, you name it, because you can do, you should go all the alphabet letters. Then also, you've got the printable dice, guys. So sometimes, like, it's this one, I think. Yeah, this one with a dice game. Instead of, if you've not got a dice, you can't play this game. So you could make one of these games, yeah, and then offer one of these printable dice, yeah, because they make it themselves. They cut it. You can put like the normal numbers on. You can put X and O, yeah. You can put yes and no. You can add these to your bundles or your package. So if you do a bingo game, you add it, or a dice game, you put that with it. So then they've got a dice. Yeah, it's a bit of extra stuff, and this is what it turns out like. You cut it out. You print it, you cut it out, you stick it together, and look, you've got a dice. Yeah. Now, if you come over to here, it shows you the demo of it. It shows you how to do it and all that. Yeah, it shows you how to get free traffic with printable products. He's, like I said, guys, he does this for a living. This is what he does. This is what he teaches. This is what he actually he shows you what he does. Yeah, he check him out on Facebook. No, sorry, on YouTube. Yeah, and read these, yeah, guys. If you know me from my channel, you know this guy. Yeah, Mike Furness from Not Taught at School. I swear by this guy. Now, if he says it's good, it is good, guys. Yeah. So he's got lots of things to prove. That show you then. It's saying, limited time bonus. Yeah, I want to make this as easy as possible. I'm adding 3 very special bonuses. Yeah, if you get crispy prints today, you can also get access to these in-house tools that were specially designed to turn free traffic into sales. So you got your pin keyword grabber, you got your single printable page profit case study, you got your free group traffic. Yeah, some more people talking about it. So look, this tells you what you're going to get with it. Come and read it, guys. Yeah. Plus, you get your special bonuses. And like today, it's just $37, guys. It is. It's a game changer, guys. I'm definitely going to buy it. Yeah. You got some questions down here. Feel free to come and read them. I am definitely 100% buying this, guys, because, like I said, I do these kind of games. Yeah. So I could come over here, yeah, and I could upload my, just find it, upload my Christmas light background thing here, Christmas images and stuff like that. Choose my Christmas color, probably red or green, yeah. Select all, and then I'll have all my Christmas games. So I'll have Christmas, I don't know, Christmas what's in your phone, yeah. Christmas candy match, Christmas bingo, you name it, guys. Whatever games you're playing. And the good thing is, guys, he said, because it's his little app, yeah, and he uses this to make his printables. When he designs a new game, a new game, he's going to add it to it. So it might it's got 14 games here, but by the time in the future, it's going to have more and more and more. So as he creates new ones, what are coming out and what are popular, you're going to get them as well if you buy it. Yeah. Or, like I said, you can go down to Fiverr and get these. Like he's paying $10 now. He'll create you a bingo game. Yeah, $5 you get 20 printables. But like I said, he'll have his logo on it and that. Yeah. Or you can come over to Creative Fabrica and you can pay individually and get and build you up that way. But again, you'll have to put him into a software to edit them a little bit and add your logo on that, guys. I think this is the best option. The link will be in the description. Come and check it out, guys. Like I said, that's all you need to do is check it out. If you like the sound of it, then get it. But look at this. These are all selling different different what. Look, this is that dice game. It's $2 on here. Sorry, nearly £2 on here. Lots of different ones, guys. Feel free to come and check it out. Feel free to obviously go on Etsy. Search yourself, guys, and check it out. You can build these, come and sell them on Etsy, sell them on Fiverr. You can even, I've just thought this, guys, right? This person is selling 20 printable teddy bear baby shower games, yeah? You could make one up and you could create 14 Christmas games, yeah? So when people search for the Christmas games, you could sell 14 games. Then you might think, okay, I'll make some New Year's Eve ones, yeah? So you've got 14 New Year's Eve games. That's a different one. So you can have your Christmas one here, you have your New Year's Eve one, and you've got your Halloween, your Easter, no, Valentine's Day, Easter, yeah? And then 4th of July, you name it, guys. You can make for every single kind of holiday. You can even make it for every single, like every niche. So you can have cars, you can have, I don't know, games. You can have, I don't know, guys, unicorns. You can have dolls. You name it, guys. You can make it. So you can have multiple different niches. Yeah, multiple different gigs on Fiverr. You can even sign up to on here, create a fabric and sell them on here. So you could sell bundles of 14, you can sell them individual and get $2 a time. Yeah, you name it, guys. It's all just for $47. Or is it 37? Oh, $37, yeah. $37, guys. And then if you sell them on Fiverr and create a fabric, you're gonna make your money back before long, yeah. Then you also add them up to Etsy, yeah. Share them on your Facebook page, share them on your Facebook groups, you name it, guys. Put a price on it, people are going to buy them, especially coming up to Christmas. Look at this one again, yeah. Over 20 people, 4 people. He's got lots of people in these, yeah. Over 20 people, 18 people, 19 people, 5, 9, 11, 4, 8. You name it, 12, 4, 5, yeah. Feel free, guys. The link is in the description. I'm Jay Roberts, yeah. This is my channel. I'm here to help you. I am teaching you exactly the things I am doing. So I'm doing KDP and I'm doing printables at the moment, and I'm doing them for my Christmas channel. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm only a small channel. I'm not even monetized. So until next time, guys, thanks very much. Goodbye.